What's up, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video I will show you a website that you can earn naira from with just you doing simple activities on the website without any investment whatsoever. And guess what? If you sign up with the link below this video, you are going to get a bonus from the website. Guys, this is the first of its kind type of video that we are doing on this channel. And as you know, we are more focused on crypto, but the goal is to make more money even outside of crypto, and also to increase your crypto holdings, your coins, okay, against the next borrow. So this video is coming after we had this poll right here on our Telegram channel, where we asked if they want to see how to earn money legitimately in naira, and 92% voted yes, that they wanted to see this, and that is why we are making this video today. So watch to the end of this video. Why? Because I'm going to show you how you can earn up to 50% of any income on this website without you spending money on adverts or whatever. So I'm going to show you that, and this method I will show you is a business idea that most people using this website don't even consider, okay, but people are using it to cash out huge amounts of money. So let's head over to the video. But before that, guys, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out most of our videos where you can earn free cryptocurrency, trades, and the rest of them. We have a lot of things we are selling on our website, which you can also participate in and make a whole lot of money for yourself. And guys, don't forget also to check out our crypto course right here, which is helping a lot of people understand crypto markets and making money from the crypto markets as well. So that being said, let's head over to the video. Now, the website we're talking about today is called NAIRAWORKERS. All right, this website is a website where so like people that have social media accounts, people that have applications, people that have website blogs, they come here to generate organic traffic to their website, to their blogs, to their YouTube channel, to their Instagram handles and posts and Facebook pages and the rest of them. So what they basically do is that they come here, they pay this company, which is NAIRAWORKERS right now, and they say, okay, I'm going to pay 10 naira, 20 naira, 30 naira, even 500 naira to anyone who performs such task. So you now watching this video, if you want to earn from this website, all you need to just for you to sign up. The link is below this video, and once you sign up, it's very simple to sign up. Just your name, your email address, and that is all. Okay, you don't need any other form of verification. Then once you sign up, if you come to your dashboard right here, okay, you are going to see your account and everything. Then you're also going to be given if you head over to the settings, you are going to see where you can add your account details, which of course you are going to be used is going to be used for payments. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is my dashboard. I just signed up, okay, after studying the website for some time. And once you sign up, you can see that you can perform, you'll be asked to perform simple tasks right here. So once you click on this perform simple tasks, it will take you to available jobs. Now I'm going to be walking you through how you can access this job and how you can do them. So I just signed up, and like I said, I just did this simple job and I got paid 24 naira. So this actually is available for me to withdraw if I want to withdraw it. And remember, I told you that if you sign up, you are going to be getting 500 naira extra bonus. So if you go to my wallet right here, you will see that I currently have 500 naira bonus right here. All right, so sign up with the link below this video. Now if we go back to available jobs, basically all we need to do is very simple. These are the available jobs that are on those websites that you can do, and here is the amount you are going to earn. Let's say, for example, if you want to, there are so many types of things you can do depending on which one is convenient for you. And not only, there are some that even pay up to 500 naira per task. Like if you filter this and click highest paying, you are going to see those that are paying 500, that is roughly 600, 550. You just have to see what they want you to do. All right, let's look for one. And some of them, they are location based, like this one say if survey are strictly location Abia State, stuff like that. Now this figure right here is they need 25 people to do this based on the budgets they have for this project, this campaign, and 11 people already done that. Okay, this one needs 25 people and 21 people already done that. So let's just look for something simple that you can do right here. Like this one right here. If you are a new user, if you want to know what you are supposed to do for you to earn this amount, you just need to click on view job. So once you click on view job, it's going to give you the instructions on what to do, what is expected of you, all right, before you for you, because you have to do the job. Then the owner of the one who posted this job is now going to check if you did the right thing. Then he will now fund your account. He will now pay you. Then you can withdraw it to your bank account. So this is not Ponzi. It's just people who need organic traffic or promotions to their stuff. They come here, they pay this company, and the company pay you as well for doing that. Okay, so like this one, if you want to earn this 100 naira, all you need is for you to download. You click on this link, you download the app, you put your email and password, you start mining, click on mining every day, stuff like that. And at the end of the day, you need to submit proof, okay, to show that you've actually done that job. So you just like this one, you just have to click the required proof that you need to show that you've done this task right here is that you need to drop your email that you're using, registering screenshots of your dashboard. In case you want to contact the owner of this campaign, you can contact the person right here. Then these are just the proof you need. Then you can screenshots. So these are an example of screenshots we are going to send. Then once you screenshot, you can click on this button and upload. So let's check something. Let's go back to available jobs. Let's see. Some of them, they just want you to subscribe to YouTube. Okay, as you can see this one right here, it says YouTube subscription. So once you click on this view job right here, as you can see right here, and another thing you also have to know is that if you subscribe to a YouTube channel, all right, and some people want to cheat, all right, but if you are caught, you're going to be suspended from this platform for 30 days. So make sure if you are subscribing to a YouTube channel, make sure you keep being subscribed to that channel. Now the trick there is this, because for example, some of us who have official YouTube channels, we will not want to use that channel to subscribe to some YouTube channels so that we will not be disturbed with notifications and the rest and pop-ups and the rest of them. So basically what you need to do, you can just create a second YouTube channel which you should be using for this particular platform. Okay, so you just log into that YouTube channel, you subscribe, you log out, use your normal YouTube channel, and subscription is just there. You are not bothered with any notifications or whatever. All right, so that's a tip you can use to avoid this whole thing right here. So like if you want to subscribe right now, all you need to do here is just click on this link right here. It will take you to a YouTube channel where you can just click on subscription. Then once you click on subscription, you will need a screenshot. You will just screenshot your page, okay, where it shows you being subscribed to that YouTube channel, and you just have to come here. You click on those choose file, it will direct you to your phone or your PC where you can upload the screenshot as proof. Then you click on submit. It's very simple to do. All right. So guys, that is basically how you earn on this platform. It's very simple and very easy to understand. Now I'm also going to be posting 2 more websites like this. Though some of them you have to pay to be a member, but this one is absolutely free. This one is absolutely free. Now, like I promised, I said I'm going to show you how you can create a business using this NAIRAWORKERS. It's very simple. All you need to do is, let's say for example, you can just create a kind of side hustle where you help people get likes for their Instagram posts, Facebook posts. You can help them get subscribers on their YouTube channel, because no matter what you think about this, not everybody know about. Even some people who have YouTube channels, Facebook pages, run their businesses with this, they don't know about those websites. They don't know. Some of them don't know about this kind of websites. Okay, so you can create a business around it and say, okay, maybe you can post on your WhatsApp status, okay, if you want 100 likes, you pay me so and so amount of money, and you can just do the calculation right here. we can just do the calculation right here. Let's say, for example, you are, let's say on this site you are if you deposit your funds into the site that you want people to like a particular YouTube channel. Now this YouTube channel belongs to your clients, okay? Now let's say you are charging 7 naira for everybody who subscribes to that channel, all right? Then let's say that's 100 people, or the person needs 100 subscribers, meaning you are going to be paying let's say the person needs 1,000 subscribers, all right? Now, meaning you're going to be paying 7,000 naira into this platform, or into this, or to this company. Now, let's say on your WhatsApp status, you say, okay, if you need 1,000 subscribers, that they should pay, let's say 12,000 naira, for example, okay, for 1,000 subscribers on YouTube channel, which a lot of people out there will be willing to pay for. Now, meaning you are getting 12,000 naira from your clients, all right, and you are paying 7,000 naira to this platform. So if you remove the 7,000 naira you are paying to this platform, you are making a profit of 5,000 naira per every 1,000 YouTube subscribers that you get someone. And remember, there are a lot of people using those websites. If you pay attention, so it is very, very possible, very easy for you to get 1,000 subscribers, and your job will remain valid, because this is an organic way. You are not using bots, okay? These are real people coming to this website to subscribe to YouTube channels so that they can get paid. And also, you can also promote your WhatsApp group. A lot of things you can do with this website. You can create businesses around this. And if you don't, if you are promoting this business on WhatsApp, and you also want to go take it further, you can just go to sites like fiverr.com. Okay, you can create an account. This is my account right here. You can create an account and just look at what people who are talking about, people who are into getting likes and getting subscribers for people on Fiverr, how they design their profile. You just mimic them and also copy them. You can say, okay, for every 1,000 subscribers, this is how many dollars I charge, and you get paid, because once one person see that you are very good at it, you get more clients. Okay, and remember, you are not doing anything. All you need to just for you to come to those websites and create a post. Okay, if you go to your dashboard, you just create a post, as you can see right here, hire many random workers. So you just create a post, then you enter, you collect, depend on the job you got. Okay, if you want if your client wants followers on Instagram, you click on followers. Then all you need to do, just for you to collect the amount of it's just for you to collect the amount, get the amount of money you want to pay them, okay, and you'll be giving estimates, all right. And hold on, okay. So here is where you have to maybe post the link of the what's it called, your client, the link of the Instagram page or Facebook page and the rest of them. Then this is where you can describe what you want them to do on the website, depending on what your client wants, okay. And you can also come here and drop the type of proof you want to get from those who are doing this task. If you want screenshots or links or the rest of them, you get. So that is how you can create a business using the website. But apart from that, you earn money just doing simple tasks on those websites, guys. So that is basically how you earn. Another website you can also create profile on, if you want to build a business using those websites, is on People Per Hour. This is my account right here. As you can see, people are willing to pay this amount of money, okay, for you promoting their growing their Instagram page and the rest of them. You can just scout around people who need Instagram promotion, Facebook promotion, and the rest of them. So that is basically how you can build a business using NAIRAWORKERS. So guys, I'm going to be uploading more updates on those websites and also other websites as well. So you make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and do turn on notifications, so that whenever I drop a video like this, you will get notified. Thank you very much, guys, and do have a lovely day ahead. Bye.